Hello, hello. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, depending on the time you're watching me. I welcome you to this class of mindset, shifting your mindset from something you know before to something that will change your life forever. Okay, as we start 2026, consider our perspective. What do you want to achieve? Okay, what is the reality on ground? What have you set to help you achieve this? Okay, so just know that this particular, that's why I call it the module zero, shifting your mindset. Okay, I know how to do this like this. What is that thing I can add to make what I'm doing better? Okay, so let's embark on this journey together. It's a very long journey, 2 weeks. Remember what I said. Get a book and a pen. Write it the money book. That looking at it only, looking at that already is changing your mindset. Okay, understand the contrast between limiting beliefs. What is limiting you? What is that thing that is stopping you from moving forward? What is that limiting belief? Is it that I cannot? Is it that I am old? Is it that people don't like me? Or is it that this AI thing is a fake thing? Is it that this the modernization is confusing, is too unique for me? What is that? What is that your limiting mindset? Positive thinking is what I want, is essential for personal and financial growth. You have to believe in yourself. Okay, believe that yes, I can. Let's dive deeper into Alawi Don finish. And if you're in this class, that means you have the book already because it's our manual. I'll be referring you to go to different chapters. Okay, so it's Alawi versus business mindset. What are the business mindset? Alawi embodies is like, you know how you have onion, you'll be flipping onion, you get the first layer, you get another layer. So it's removing that traditional way you know, and putting in that layer inside, which is the contract of a business, a new business mindset. It encourages innovations, forward thinking, and this will help you a lot, and forward thinking towards diverse success growth. So just remember, you are growing, you will grow. Consider how this mindset will influence your decision. Remember, consider this mindset. How will it influence my decision this year? This is January. The choices you are making will be based on your belief. What do you believe? Okay? Be open minded. Have an open mindset that yes, I'm going to do this differently. Just reflect on what happened last year. Reflect on what you're going to do new. What is that new thing you're going to do? And by recognizing that, okay, this is where I got it from, this is what I'm supposed to do, shifting that limiting mindset will open doors for you for new opportunities. It will open new opportunity doors of great achievement, both personally and financially. You will have new approach to life. Okay, you will see things in a different perspective. Okay, so diving in our first preparation. Okay, one, your phone, you have to delete all those junks you stored, all those bitter, this person send me message, I'm going to leave it here, all those negative mindset, all those things that have been in your phone that is occupying space, that are not productive, delete it. All those videos, the film, different films, if you're not people, as you're watching and downloading, people are making money. So delete all that, make space for positivity. Okay, start by scanning your phone, your phone apps, all those. In fact, delete any video app that you stay watching videos. You watch video and waste time. Please delete it. So determine, what do you have in your phone? Does it distract you from being what you're supposed to be? Or is it adding value to you? So this, all these things is what you're going to look. You are going to remove, detoxify. It also is detoxification. Today is detoxification and preparation. Remember, removing distraction isn't about creating a barren workspace. It's about creating an enabling environment that supports your objectives. What are your objectives this year? So this task of detoxification in your phone, removing every bitterness, removing unnecessary things, it might look small, but trust me, is a way to go. Delete any app that is a distraction. Delete anything that you've stored that is not making sense. Delete it. Let's dive into preparation. Okay. Our step 2, survival number. Okay. Focus on understanding survival number. What do I mean by survival number? Doing what it takes to survive. Doing what it takes to get that result you want. Okay. You have to gain clarity. Okay. You have to gain clarity. What's your essential cost every month of subscribing to some videos that you don't need? You say you subscribe for this and you're paying money for something that is not adding value to your life. So calculate the expenses and all the unnecessary things you've been doing for 30 days. Consider all the meals, the snacks, the things you do, okay, all the excesses. You have to calculate it. You have to tell yourself, if I'm spending unnecessary things, like you are the person that likes to, you like eating heavy, you like buying things that are not necessary to your life. You have to do calculation, write out things. Okay, this is number one. You have a column, number one, my expenses per month. So when you evacuate all these things, evacuate unnecessary spending, evacuate unnecessary. How can you go and buy a car you don't have money to maintain? If you mean selling it, you have to sell it. So you have to do all this. Write down all the all the unnecessary numbers. Delete the numbers you have to delete. Figure these things out. Okay? Determine all this. Calculate your cost. I need you to be in one place, to be structured. When we are structured, it will help us to understand. It will help you to understand and manage your financial priorities. Financial priorities is the key. That is your survival number this year. Okay? Contact auditing. You have to audit, remove all the unnecessary numbers, all those people that they will call you and be asking you unnecessary things, disturbing you. You have to delete them from your phone. Block some numbers if you must. Yes, block some numbers. All those times you used to want to stay in watching your WhatsApp status that are not necessary. Start watching those ones that are business inclined, those that build your life. Okay. Remember, the emphasis now is focus on positive things. Every negative vibes, you're going to remove it this year. Okay. Diving into the tool you need to set up. You need Canva, you need a Canva app. Okay. You need your Google Doc. You need your bank app for receiving payments. You need your weekly data plan for connectivity. All these things are very necessary. Okay. It's very necessary in what you are doing. Now, I want you to say this with me. I must I must prospect contracts. What are the things you want to do this year? Okay? Let's focus on what these contracts are. You are going to write it down. You have to sign a contract with yourself, an agreement with yourself. That is what I posted in the Telegram group you're using. An agreement with yourself, a financial declaration. This is what I'm focusing on. This is why I came to this class, to achieve this. Please, you have to watch this and take action immediately. This is our preparation. Okay, I'll drop what you're supposed to do in the group. Thank you so much for joining the class. Remember, your Alawi Don finish must be open in your phone as we do, because I'll refer you to some chapters to be able to understand yourself this year. Thank you.